Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at a specific question that's going to test your knowledge of our key concepts and your vocabulary that deal with different population diagrams that you're going to see on our summative. So let's go ahead and take a look. On the summative, you'll see questions that deal with different populations of organisms, and we're going to be looking at how that population relates to some different environmental changes. So we have three different populations here, and each population is a group of frogs with different colored skin, and each colored skin can be an adaptive trait or a non-adaptive trait depending on the environment. So we're imagining that these populations are living in an environment that have yellow flowers rather than blue flowers. So the question we're looking to answer here is which population or populations would be able to survive a changing environment that went from blue flowers to yellow flowers. Is it A, population 1 would be best suited to survive this environment change from blue to yellow? Is it B, population 2 is best able to survive or more likely to survive the change from blue to yellow? Or is it C, population 2 and 3 are more likely to survive this environment change? At this point, we should be going into our answer to question number 1 and putting our answer A, B, and C. A, population 1, B, population 2, or C, both 2 and 3. Pause the video here, think about it, put your answer, and when you're ready, unpause the video to get your answer. Okay. Do you think you got it? If you need to pause, still pause. Otherwise, let's take a look at what the answer should be. If we're looking at this population here, and we went from a blue to a yellow environment, the populations that are best suited to survive is letter C, both 2 and 3. They both contain populations of frogs that have that adaptive trait. The difference being obviously population 2, some of the frogs may die, but more than likely we would still see some left over versus population 1. They would probably all die from predators or other means. If you have questions at this point, because you got it right, wrong, or whatever, go ahead and complete the survey and check in if you put your X in yellow or red. When you're ready to move on, go ahead and move on. Great job.